Early diastolic murmur. An early diastolic murmur begins with a second sound and peaks in the first third of diastole. Common causes are aortic regurgitation and pulmonic regurgitation. The early diastolic murmur of aortic regurgitation usually has a high-frequency blowing quality, is heard best with the diaphragm at Erb's point, and radiates downward along the left sternal border. The following example is that of an early diastolic murmur taken from a man with mild aortic regurgitation. The murmur of pulmonic regurgitation occurs after a slight delay after P2. It has a rough quality, which is heard best with the bell lightly held at base left, and radiates along the left sternal border. The murmur of pulmonic regurgitation tends to be of short duration and heard best on inspiration. This respiratory variation is helpful in differentiating pulmonic regurgitation from aortic regurgitation.